Everyone, Jelani here. Welcome to the next video where I'm going to show you guys how to install HotJar. So HotJar is a really cool application slash script that allows you to record your visitors and actually apply heat maps to your funnels or to your web pages, so you can see what people are clicking on. You can see why people are not converting. You can see where they stop at the page, where they stop reading. You can see all this stuff, and it's really important because it allows us to see if there's anything we can edit, right? If there's anything that we can improve on, so we can make those people convert. And I actually used this, and I saw that people on the mobile version of my funnel, they were scrolling down, right? And they were like reading the free or clicking the free text, like actually clicking free, like this, like if they clicked free, that it would, I don't know what they thought it would do, but they were clicking free, and then they would exit. And I'm just like, okay, so what should I do? So what I did was to, increase my conversion was I said, fill in your information below. That's literally all I did. And then I saw the visitors again to see like what they were doing, and they were literally scrolling down and putting in their information so they can get their free item instead of just clicking free and thinking they would magically get it, right? So it really does help improve conversions if you look at the data, if you look at what your customers are doing, and then you improve on that, right? It's always improving. We're trying to improve ourselves every single day so that we can understand who our customers are, understand what our customers like, what they don't like. So this will help you do that, right? So they offer a free trial. So all you have to do is go to hotjar.com, click on try it for free. And I've done this plenty of times where, I'll get the trial, then it runs out, and then whatever, right? So, Blake Smith, my email address is info@thedealbox, right? So let's get started. So you get 15 days for free, and then I think they downgrade your account to like a lower level, but it's still free, so that's fine. So make a password. My role, store owner. No. Organization name, Deal Box. Alright, cool. So site URL is going to be shop.thedealbox.co. Vehicles, let's just do this confirmation thing. Verify. Start using HotJar. Okay, so now we do that. And what we want to do is we want to record site visitors. Heat maps, sure, we can do that, but we don't really use it. I don't want to ask any type of questions, so we don't want that. We skip that step, and we can skip that other step. So this is the tracking code that HotJar provides, similar to what Google Analytics provides. And once you install it, let me just exit out of here. Once you install it, you can click I have installed the tracking code, and it'll tell you if you installed it properly. So all you have to do is copy this tracking code and put that tracking code in the header, similar to what we did with Google Analytics. So what you want to do is just double space twice and just put it underneath that script, and then come down here, save and update settings, and then click I have installed the tracking code, verify installation. And what we're going to have to do is we're going to actually have to go back to our settings, because since it's a funnel wide, we want to put it to this, right? So shop.thedealbox.co/free item, okay? And we can always change this later, but we have to do that so it can work right now. So verify installation, boom. Okay, so now it's going to say HotJar installation verified. Okay, so what we're gonna do now at this point is enable our recording. So all you have to do, it's actually already enabled. So if we want to stop recording, we can hit stop, or we can edit the settings, right? So now if someone were to go in our funnel, it's literally gonna record them. So I'm gonna try it out, and I'm not sure if it takes some time to like update, but it should work ideally. If not, that's okay, because I know it works. You just got to give it some time to really enable itself and get the data. So let's just scroll down here, see if it records us for a second. Let's just see. And then let's exit out of here and come back to HotJar and refresh the page and see if it recorded us. So no recordings yet, but I'm sure that it will eventually. It's probably like a delay right now, so it probably will update. But yeah, so that's pretty much what it does. It literally records your visitors. So yeah, that's what it does, and it shows us what the actions they're taking on our pages, if they are, if they're not, and then it helps us improve things, right? So definitely install this, okay? Because it's definitely gonna help with conversions, okay? So watch what your people do. Be a little spy, you know? Check out what your customers are doing so then you can improve your offer, improve what you're providing to them, right? It's all about offering and what we can do for our customers and how we can make their experience on our landing pages or our websites better. So follow me into the next video. We're going to start activating our active campaign and integrating that within ClickFunnels. Okay, guys? That's it for today, guys. Tomorrow, there'll be a new video. So if you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe and hit that alert button so you know when that video drops. I know you probably want more information, but I want to take it really step by step and slow so you guys understand what I'm talking about. So if you want to see that video, subscribe, hit the alert button. I can't wait to see you there.